आज की वीडियो में हम all types of sentences को complete detail के साथ समझेंगे। अगर आप FBISE Class 9 या Class 10 के student हैं, तो ये topic exams और spoken English दोनों के लिए बहुत important है। What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete meaning. Definition: a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Examples: I am a student, she plays cricket, they are happy. Types of sentences, according to purpose. There are four main types of sentences. 1. Declarative, assertive. Sentence, a sentence that tells us something or gives information. Ends with. Examples: Ali is reading a book. The sun rises in the east. Pakistan is a beautiful country. 2. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question. Ends with. Examples: what is your name? Where do you live? Are you ready? 3. Imperative sentence. A sentence that gives a command, request, advice, or instruction. Examples: open the door. Please help me. Work hard. Don't waste your time. 4. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that shows strong feelings or emotions. Ends with examples: what a beautiful flower. Hurrah! We won the match. Alas, he is dead. Wow, that's amazing. Types of assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are of two types. Positive, affirmative, she is honest. They play football. Negative, she is not honest. They do not play football. Hash, quick identification trick, gives information. Declarative, asks a question. Interrogative, gives command request. Imperative, shows emotion. Exclamatory. Punctuation marks, declarative, interrogative, imperative, usually. Exclamatory. Exam tips. Remember these keywords. Declarative is statement. Interrogative is question. Imperative is command, request, advice. Exclamatory equals emotion. Practice. Identify the type. 1. Close the window. Imperative. 2. How beautiful the moon is. Exclamatory.